Linux file system order as per the file system hierarchy standard. Linux file system directories. Root directory. Top level directory that contains all the other files and folders. Bin. Essential user command binaries like ls, which is used to list the contents of a directory. cp, which is used to copy files and directories. And cat, which is short for concatenate. Boot. Files needed to boot the system, including the Linux kernel and bootloader. Dev. Device files representing hardware like disk, USB, and terminals. tc. System-wide configuration files and settings. Home. Personal directories for regular user to store their files. Lib. Essential shared libraries required by binaries in bin and sbin. Media. Mount points for removable media like USB drivers and CDs. MNT. Temporary mount point for file systems mounted manually. OPT. Optional or third-party application software packages. Process. Virtual file system providing system and process information. Root. Home directory of the root administrator user. Run. Runtime data like process IDs and system information since boot. Sbin. System administration binaries used mainly by the root user. Service. Data for services like web server and FTP servers. Sys. Virtual file system exposing kernel and hardware information. TMP. Temporary files created by applications and is usually cleared on reboot. USR. User installed software, libraries and documentation. Var. Variable data such as logs, mail and spool files and is expected to change continuously.